This Paramount Homes Real Estate Company property video is presented by Mary Ruffin. Nice home, full of character and lots of charm. Very clean and move-in ready. This home features hardwood flooring, eat-in kitchen/dining with recently installed French doors. Enjoy your morning coffee or a meal while looking outside. Walk under your pergola into a large backyard with lots of beautiful mature trees. Appliances stay with this home. Refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher, all included. This home would make a perfect starter home. A wonderful opportunity waiting for a owner. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Ruffin at 580-237-6200.